Hotel prices around the world has been increasing, but you don't have to pay extra in order to stay in a hotel. Do you want to know how to save some money while staying in a hotel? Stay tuned. Welcome to another episode of Travel Tip Wednesday here on Stezworld. I am your host, Steven. Just before we start, I would like to remind you to subscribe to this channel because every week we make a new video concerning travel tips. Anything could be from saving money on travel, on flights, how to book for hotels, anything. Also, I make another weekly video on me vlogging around in locations that I travel. Hopefully very soon we're gonna start traveling to international spot and I could be vlogging in those areas and of course providing travel tips in the location where I'm actually at. And if there's anything that I missed on this video, you could comment down below and just let me know. Also, you could comment down below if you want to know anything about traveling, how to save, what to do while traveling, or whatever question you have concerning traveling, you could comment down below. Well, on today's episode, we are actually going to talk about hotel and how to save money or get an upgrade while staying in a hotel. One way to save money while reserving for a room in a hotel, especially if you are a weekend traveler, it's actually better to book a hotel in a business hotel during the weekend. Why? Because business hotels are actually catered for business people, and normally business people, they travel during the week, and normally on the weekends there's no business to be conducted or very little business to be conducted. So if you actually search for a business oriented hotel, you're gonna get a good price on a room. Tip number 2, actually call the hotel directly to see if there is some rooms available or special rates. Normally when you make reservation directly with the hotel instead of one of those travel agency website or 1-800 number, you will actually get a good deal. Another way to save money while making reservation is actually check the hotel during the end of the day. Normally at the end of the day, there is a lot of rooms available. And normally, in order for the hotel to fill those rooms, they give big discounts. I tried this before in many places and it actually works. But of course, you have to do this during the slow season. Normally, during high season, like in the summer vacation, it's a little bit more challenging. But if you actually travel during the slow season, so it's actually better to go to the hotel during the slow season because normally there's a lot of empty rooms, especially in the evening, and normally they will give you great rates. Tip number 3, a good way to save some money is actually to reserve a hotel room within the cancellation period. Normally within 24 or 48 hours, a lot of people, they cancel their trips, so then there's vacant rooms. Normally when you travel within that time period, 24 to 48 hours, there's a good chance you might score a good deal on a room. Tip number 4, sign up for price alerts. Normally in price alerts, you will see prices go up and down. If you get notified that the price went down, that is your best chance to book for a room. Tip number 5, book a room in a new hotel property. Booking in a new hotel is very interesting. Normally, when there is a new hotel, people do not know that the hotel exists. So in order to fill the room, management, they have to lower the price, fill the rooms up, and of course, word of mouth, which is a powerful advertisement, they will get more visitors coming in for future trips. Tip number 6, follow the rules of opposite. What is the rule of opposites? Let's say, normally if you go to an all-inclusive resort, it's normally packed with people on the weekend, and business hotels are full on the weekdays. So the rule of opposite is just switch it around. Go to the resorts during midweek because there's pretty much no one there and the prices are cheaper, and go to business hotels during the weekends. And those are some travel tips on how to book on hotels and save a lot of money. If there's anything else that I miss, you could comment down below. Let's have a conversation on how to save money because I also want to learn new ideas on how to save while traveling abroad or domestically on booking hotels. And once again, I want to say thank you. Remember to subscribe to my channel because every week I normally publish 2 videos. One is a how-to video and the other is a travel vlog video. And thank you, and until next time, safe travels.